Calendly is a scheduling tool that syncs seamlessly with Google Calendar to let others book meetings without back and forth emails. Here's how to set it up and use it effectively. Step by step, setup, sign up, and connect. Google Calendar. Go to calendly.com, sign up, free plan works for most users, or log in during onboarding or in account settings. Calendar connections. Click Connect Calendar, choose Google. Authorize Calendly to access your Google Calendar, read and write events. Create an event, type in Calendly dashboard, click New, event type, for example, 30-minute one-on-one, group meeting, coffee chat. Set duration, availability based on your Google Calendar free, busy times, buffer time, and location, Zoom, Google Meet, phone, in person. Customize questions, confirmation email, reminders, and add branding. Share your booking link after saving. Copy your unique Calendly link, for example, calendly.com/yourname/30min. Share it via email signature, website, social media, or embed on your site. How it works in practice. Invitees click your link, see your real-time availability pulled from Google Calendar. They pick a time slot. Calendly auto-creates a Google Calendar event on both calendars with all details, title, description, Zoom link if integrated. Both parties receive confirmation emails and reminders.